This video will demonstrate how you can change the layer of one object or multiple objects within your drawing. By habit, not a good habit, but by habit I tend to draw on layer 0 and then build layers later and move things from layer 0 to the appropriate layer. Probably smarter, wiser to create your layer and keep changing the current layer as you draw objects and not need to move things to another layer. But old habits die hard, you know. Say here's all my boundary layer. Whoa, they're still locked from the last video. Fix that. Say I want to move everything, move some lines that I accidentally drew on the foundation layer. That's this white boundary layer, over to the furniture layer, the green stuff. Okay, that's simply a matter of selecting the objects you want to move. Hold the shift button, deselect if you accidentally over select. So I've got just the recent zigzag on the foundation layer selected. All I got to do is come up here and drop down the quick menu and say, hey, everything's selected. I want you to go and follow the properties of the furniture layer. There they are. Hit escape to deselect. Select some of this floor covering, kind of grayish green stuff. Maybe select all of it. I think I got it all. Again, everything I selected is on the same layer, floor covering. Drop down and move it to furniture. Now if I select stuff that's on multiple layers, the drop down list blanks out because it doesn't care to to display all the different layers of the objects that it's on. So it just tells you various by blanking out. Well, we can still move everything from those multiple layers to the furniture layer simply by this drop down list. Click on furniture, and stuff that was on different layers, more than one different layer, are moved to the furniture layer. Hit escape before you forget you've selected them. That's about it for moving things from one layer to another. As long as your properties always remain by layer, keep these things saying by layer. As long as they're by layer, everything will simply and easily follow the properties of the boundary they're on. Excellent for productivity and sharing files with other people, printing on and off different layers, rigging a layer for no plot. See you next time.